Looking for more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is email marketing. Businesses rely on email campaigns to connect with their customers and drive sales. If you can write compelling emails and manage subscriber lists, you'll be in high demand. Start by learning platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit, which are easy to use and perfect for beginners. Many companies pay $25 to $100 per hour for email marketing services, depending on the complexity of the campaigns. To stand out, focus on learning about automation, copywriting, and analytics. That you can find clients on freelance platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Next is t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, this skill is perfect for you. With print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Teespring, you can create custom designs for t-shirts and other products without worrying about inventory or shipping. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva, which are great for creating designs. Many designers earn 5 to 20 per sale, depending on the product and platform. To get started, create a portfolio of your designs and promote them on social media or through your own store. With a bit of creativity and marketing, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Third is market research. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies understand their customers and competitors. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey, which are great for collecting data. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for market research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses that need help understanding their market. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. As a tech support expert, you'll help clients troubleshoot software, hardware, and network issues. Start by learning the basics of common operating systems and software. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the complexity of the issue. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need IT support. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy problem solving and want to tap into a growing industry. Finally, let's talk about illustration. If you love drawing and creating art, this skill is perfect for you. Businesses and individuals are always looking for custom illustrations for books, websites, and marketing materials. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Procreate, which are great for creating digital art. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per illustration, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy, or reach out to authors and businesses that need custom artwork. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose email marketing, t-shirt design, market research, tech support, or illustration, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.